Hi, so in this video about the dynamic selector, it will be heavily assisted by a PDF which will include in the comments and on the Academy of the setup instructions. But first I'll show you what this component is and what it can do, and then you can decide if it's right for your needs. Often you need to send out multiple documents, but you don't want to send multiple emails or multiple sign requests. You want to send them all as one, but you maybe want to pick and choose each time which ones you actually want to send, and that's what the dynamic selector is for. I have defined in this example that this warranty document on the right, this is a static Word doc which is going to turn into a PDF, has to go out, and you can have a couple of multiple kind of required ones there, and then I choose on the left hand side what else I want to go with it. Maybe I got legal to adjust the terms and conditions for me, thank you legal, and that's sat on the Salesforce record against this opportunity. And then car quote is a .config, that's from PDF Butler, and that's going to be created when I hit go based on the information on the record. I'll add that as well, but I want the terms to come at the end, so I'll move that down one. And there we go, I press preview, give this a couple of seconds, and here we go. So up top, I have that warranty document. I know that's 14 pages long. So then we've got the .config for Smith & Co. here, and then the terms. And then from here, as usual, I've only added mail as one of the packs as in my example here, but you can use any other pack, obviously, and send it off maybe for signature or anything else. But how do we get to this point? So you will need to create a flow. And then you would edit the page, go to this element and add the flow API name into here. Everything else, so creating the flow, which is on the easier end, we have made an example which probably fits most needs, and we'll get you to this point anyway. The setup guide looks like this. It has a few prerequisites that you have to set up. Then we explain all the different variables. And then it's step by step with screenshots. It's no Apex to write, it is all just get records, looping and assignments. So yeah, hopefully you will get along with that. The link to that file will be in the comments on the video, in the description of the video, and on the Academy as well. Thanks.